Right, the song, yeah, but the song is in A major. Zvinoita murudo ya Tongai Moyo. It's in the key of A. So inotanga idai so. First string in ninth fret, then second string in 10th fret, then fifth string in 11th fret. Inozo slide from 11 to 9. So it's then from 9th fret inoenda mu 7th fret. So it's flat. Do not slide the foot from 9th fret, 3rd string. So it's so from there tunoenda mu 5th fret, tobata 2nd string in 5th fret, then 3rd string in 6th fret. Then to flatten string number 5th and 4th. The same applies to 5th strings, first to 5th fret, 2nd string in a 5th, then so that's the first phrase.